XAG P100 Pro is the agricultural drone designed to progress further. With increased strength and a larger payload capacity, it features the industry-leading quick swap systems to switch between crop protection, spreading, and field mapping. The foldable arms allow for easy transport and transfer. Fully autonomous operation and remote control method are both available to meet the needs of different farms. The XAG P100 Pro agricultural drone inherits the full-fledged quadcopter design. It is able to carry a rated payload of up to 50 kilograms and fly at a maximum speed of 13.8 meters per second. As two major task modules, the new XAG Revo Spray and Revo Cast system are developed with 50-liter smart liquid tank and 80-liter granule container. The overall efficiency for spraying reaches up to 19 hectares per hour, and that for spreading to 1,300 kilograms per hour. XAG Revo Spray system is equipped with more powerful centrifugal atomizing nozzles, whose droplet size can be precisely adjustable from 60 to 400 microns. With a dual peristaltic pump, its maximum flow rate increases to 22 liters per minute. When the P100 Pro is flying at high speed, open fields and orchards can be sprayed thoroughly. The smart liquid tank comes with a non-contact level sensor that provides a clear view of the remaining amount. Precision is taken to the next level. XAG Revo Cast system with the upgraded smart screw feeder increases its maximum spread rate to 150 kilograms per minute. The vertical centrifugal broadcasting disc enables granules to reach the ground quickly and directly, and precisely control the spread width. The extra-large double-sided ports allow easier and more efficient filling. Compared to its predecessor, the P100 Pro improves the overall fertilizing efficiency by 60%. The container has an external residual sensor which can detect the remaining status of seeds or fertilizers during flight. XAG Real Terra system, as an optional individual task module, can conduct mapping missions for farmland and orchard, preset parameters on app, and obtain high-definition field maps with ease. The 4D imaging radar system, more sensitive and responsive, can detect objects as far as 80 meters. The surrounding obstacles therefore can be avoided even at high speeds. The highly efficient power system provides an economical solution for charging. It includes the smart supercharged battery with IP67 level protection that can be charged rapidly underwater and operate in hot weather. 2 sets of batteries are enough to achieve continuous operations and save costs. The XAG P100 Pro agricultural drone takes the lead in flight automation. The XAG One app, featuring intelligent route planning, breakpoint resumption, and swarm control, allows fully autonomous operation using just a smartphone. And the new XAG Agricultural Remote Controller 3 Pro is lightweight, compact, dust-resistant, and waterproof. It supports user-friendly control for beginners. The drone can also use the remote controller to host local Wi-Fi network. Take flight as you wish, even without internet access, helping farmers become more productive at lower cost. This is the XAG P100 Pro agricultural drone.